Yay, got my baby back. Had a bit of an off-road tumble. Messed up the exhaust. Akra profit, 12,000 Rand later, which is currently exchange rate 20 US dollars. Okay, brand new, smells brand new, perfect. The bike has close to 10,000 kilometers on the clock, and what we're doing here is just comparing sound, because I've got a nice little... Easiest way to kill yourself in an enclosed space. So, sounds great, better than OEM. But, what's she going to sound like? I can only imagine the weight savings I would get. Got it from these guys aus Deutschland. 129 euros. 129 euros. That's $500,000 Rand. Comes close. Okay, so I'll be fitting this over the weekend, and when it's done, we're going to put her in the same position, warm her up, same as she is now. We're going to floor it. Can't wait to see the effect. And if nothing else, if you go down in dirt, tar, whatever, I've got pannier racks. That's great. They scratch nicely too. Problem is, your exhaust shield will be the first to suffer. That's 2,500 Rand from the dealer. That's 70 US dollars, give or take. Now, you put this thing on. Yeah, it's going to take some damage, but it's not going to cost you that much. Personally, what I hope to get out of this is to drive past the old age home and make sure they scream, "It's the Russians." Or is it the Germans? Yeah, we'll figure it out.
Sag mal, Werner, tut das Moped so laut ist?
Der Auspuff ist abgefallen.
that exhaust, okay, it's not an exhaust, it's a tip, just the tip. Compared to the Akra, it's a piece of Hooligan. That's all it is. There's no sound deadening. It's your motor's free to express itself however it wants to. If it's cold, the backfires are amazing, like gunshots going off behind you. Shifting down, blipping the engine is just... It really brings out the kid in you.